Ka Thomas Jones Synod College hak arpundai tarik leber kalap nhap perdano ya ka taiew lehkmen ne ka College Week halor ka phang creating beautiful moment today for everlasting memories kaba sedang nadu ka arpusau tarik leber haplau ka college. Haka ni kasngi ladon lang UMLA ka Jowai ma wailat miki shilla kum ukong san haka jingdon lang ka principal ka Dr. Yarap lang dekhar kino hikai bat kisam la puli. Uma wailat miki shilla haka jingkren ulaong kumbangi don ka jingya per kadur bat kadar ni don ru ka jingya per haka sap kapong. Kumta kan ni kadai kerinsan kamtam na kabenta kito kisam la puli ki badon ya kasap kapong boper. Upen pauru ka jingkermen ba ka jing lehkmen ka bashi taiew kan Aishisha kalat iki samla bat makiru la penden kam ya kini kalat. Shua kan ni vice principal ma WEH lamin haba penya ya ka jing lang ula pen pau ka jing sngongu ya ki kam ba bhajo uma wailat miki shilla na ka benta ka college kenthop ka jing ithu ka sarkar jilla ya ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai kum kawai na ki jaka puli hapo ka People's College Grant in Aid scheme batling ba ka jing wan ka Meghalaya Games 2024 la yo ban bah penmiat ya ka madan ya lekai basketball na lor kiwe ki jing don kam bat jing mentoy jong ka college. La penpu shu ya kasngi penhap perdada ki jingerwai ki balaya shim benta da ki nong job ha ki jing yakob boper ki bala penlong hapo ka ni ka taiew ki bukan thop ya ka yakob ruai tenrai ka yakob ruai kenhun bat ka yakob ruai marwei ha ka ni kasngi ukong san ula pelaj ru ya ka magazine jong ka college Lumia
taken part in different activities and program because this is an opportunity especially to those students who are not very good in studies. Because I still remember, even I am also not that good in study. But whenever I have the opportunity, because we know, as we have different look and appearance, we have different talent. So this is a platform, especially to those students who have different talents other than books. So I think this is the right platform for you to show that your word, your value. And through this, we could see that many talent used to come in the form of singing, dancing, in sports, and other curricular activities. So I hope that this past 1 week have really given you the opportunity and you have made use of this opportunity. 26 years of age. So many people used to ask me, because it's not easy to come and stand here and deliver the speech. It's not easy. So they used to ask me that, how could you, in such a young age, how could you contest and stand and speak and deliver your speech in front of hundreds and thousands of people? So I told them that when I was in school, whenever I got opportunity or whatever the teacher told me to do, I never say no. I used to take part in each and every activities, even though I don't know, but I still take part. So that's how I develop my confidence. So this goes the same for you. Because after this, after you pass out from this college, you will face the real world, where you will need confidence. So I hope that you are making use of this opportunity given to you. And at the same time, I would like to thank and congratulate the teaching faculty of this college who have really worked hard in imparting quality education to the students of this area and the whole of Giant Hills in particular.